Today, I will give you a detailed introduction to electric forklifts. Let's first take a closer look at their performance. When there is no cargo being carried, it can easily complete the uphill and downhill operations. This is about the lifting and lowering function of the forklift. This model can lift up to a height of 3 meters. This is the forklift's tilt function. Forward and backward tilting eases loading and unloading. This is for controlling the turning signals of the forklift. This is for controlling the front lights of the forklift. This is the parking brake. This is the switch. If you want to know more details about forklifts, you are welcome to send us a private message.